when you hear a tale of big boat.
That started from this tropic port aboard this tiny ship. The mate was a mighty sailor man, ship from frail and shore. By passengers a sail that day for a 3-hour tour, a 3-hour tour. When we started getting hot, the tiny ship was hot. If not for the courage of the fearless crew, the minnow would be lost. The minnow would be lost. The ship took down the shore of this uncharted desert island with Gilligan, the skipper too, a million and his wife, the movie star, the Professor and Harry Ann, here at Gilligan's Yard.